Okay, what's up, guys? Welcome back to Force Home X, I guess. So, just a couple days ago, we started the skid plate. We had the piece of plastic cut out, and we are going to probably do a linkage in another video. But today, got a little butane torch, or a big one, I guess, and I marked it up. This, so I have it pretty lined up with some Sharpie. I have the indentations right there. And we're going to bend it up and hopefully shape it out today, sand up all the corners and get it ready to mount. And then I have an idea for this little extra piece right here that I found on Asterbus skid plates. So we're going to give this a shot and hopefully it works out because I'm pretty stoked. Just have a new skid plate. As you guys could see, man, it'd be cool if GoPro could focus, but like zoom in. But all this is pretty much melting. It's a beautiful day. Still pretty cold, but oh well. Yeah, let's get up with this because I'm super ready to have a skid plate running in and show you what I'm going to do at the end. Let's do this. Okay, so it's still a little bit warm, but it's pretty cured. I stuck it in the freezer. So I'm gonna cut off this tape. And even though it's not like fully bent up, it'll be fine. I mean, it'll bend when I hook it up to the frame. Oh, Zach, I suck. Okay, just use these scissors. Okay, scissors. And then, yeah, there's that. Come on. These things really aren't that sharp. Oh yeah, there, never mind. need. Okay. It's heated up and I can't really pull it off. There we go. Finally, that was actually kind of hard. Okay, well, that's kind of my rough shape for the skid plate. I guess now I'll hook you guys up to another tripod maybe, and we're gonna begin shaping this. Well, it actually turned out really good. Okay. Okay. I mean, yeah, that's perfect. That's right on that. And we'll begin shaping. I'll put my dirt bike on a triangle. Hopefully we can get a better understanding and lift it up. And then I'm going to work on smoothing some stuff out. I'm going to make a mounting bracket that hooks up and around the frame. And I should be good to go. And then tomorrow there's something. I'll start working on the linkage for you guys, and I'll have a separate video. That'll probably be part 3. Yeah, let's